Hey, what it do? What it do, y'all? It's your boy Phil from Transformation Auto Sales. I'm back with another video, y'all. So I got my boy over here, J.E. Hey, right here, y'all see him? Y'all see J.E., the mechanic, the shoe reseller, the all of the above, everything, you know what I'm saying? So we finna change out the battery on this 1985 Cutlass, y'all. We're gonna change out the battery on this thing. I already took out the old battery. We ran up there to Walmart, got a new battery. I thought I was finna have to drop by 200 on a new battery, y'all, but AJE, he saved me about what, $130?
Yep.
He said, man, look, you can go get down $60, $70. So that's what we went and did. But
These older cars, it's a lot cheaper.
you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all the car real quick while he working on that. I hadn't put this car on the channel just yet. I got this car probably like 3-4 weeks ago. This is what we got right here, y'all. Clean. This thing is clean, you hear me? Got a few little spots right there on the roof. But overall, it's clean. Even came with the little 13-inch with the white walls. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be working with right here, y'all. Right here. You already got it on there?
Yep.
Dang, he already got the battery on there, y'all. He ain't playing with you. He is not playing with you. Here got a brand new battery right here. We got this Ever Start right here, y'all.
Never start.
Never start. It better start today. When's
When's the last time you started this car? When you got it?
Yeah, it's probably been about 2 weeks since I started it.
No, I thought about 3.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah,
3.
about 3 weeks.
Yeah, it's been sitting there about 3 weeks, so. All right, we're gonna see what it do.
Go ahead and grab your carb spray.
Carb spray? Where is the carb spray?
Probably in the Cadillac.
Where the car spray at? I gotta grab this car spray, y'all. Hang tight for me. Here, talk to him while I.
What we talking about?
Show him the motor. Talk to him something while I grab the car spray.
Hey, children. This is an alternator. That is a distributor. That's no cap. That's a brake booster, a brake master cylinder, and looky there at the carburetor. And that's your vacuum for your, on these older cars, for your cruise control. That's part of your air conditioner. That right there is your blower motor. When you want air conditioner and it goes in the dash. And that's your wiper motor. That's your power steering pump. Right down there is your water pump. Oil filter. Battery. Radiator.
I got the car spray.
There you go.
What you talking about, y'all? Got that car spray for you.
I'm talking to him like 2 years old. Well, let's fire it up.
Fire it up.
Find the sleep.
Hey, you should have told me to get the key.
Get the key.
Yeah, I should have known to get the key, right?
Now, if y'all know Phil, he do everything backwards.
You gotta have a key to start the car.
Yeah. Oh, no, you don't have to have a key to start a car. I have this car hot wired in a minute. Y'all didn't hear that. What is going on? It's got a vacuum leak. We're going to use this carb choke cleaner to spray around the carburetor. And when it hits, the vacuum leak sucks it in, you'll hear the motor rev up. Motor revs up, that's where you got the vacuum leak. So then you got to just pinpoint it. Is it the gasket? Is it just a vacuum coming out of the carburetor? And get that. That vacuum will make this car run really rich and run really bad. So,
Break it up.
yeah.
All right, y'all. We're gonna try to break this thing.
Look at that pretty clean windshield.
Yeah, you see it.
And it's legal.
Yeah.
Unlike that truck we took to Walmart a while ago. Oh.
Don't show them the truck. They ain't ready for that.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh. We got action.
Starter needs to be shimmed.
That's how they know it.
Yeah. Sucker sounds good.
All right. Hey, first time it's been started in 3 weeks, y'all. First time it's been started in 3 weeks. Got a hot little 350 off in there. Y'all see it. He's spraying this carb cleaner right now. He is trying to check and
You
see.
talking about that sucking sound you hear there?
Yeah.
That's just your carburetor.
Yeah.
Yeah. See?
Yeah. That's all what I was wondering. It was making a little sucking sound, so I was trying to see, what that noise was. Uh-oh.
Belt's a little loose. You see it flopping?
Yeah. Might have to tighten them belts up, y'all. But I mean, it run quiet though. Other than that, it seems like it run pretty quiet to me. Yeah, I see it. 1985 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. No, this is not the 85. This is the 84. The blue one is the 85. This is 1984 Cutlass Supreme. They all the same though. All the same thing. Y'all check this out. It ain't even no black smoke or nothing coming out the pipes. Ooh. Hey, we running, y'all. We is running. So yeah, that's really all I want to show y'all on this video, y'all. Basically, the car had set for 3 weeks after I bought it. The battery on it was bad, so we went and bought a brand new battery. Took the old battery out, and now that thing cranked right up. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, y'all make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, comment, share the video to all the other people so they can see what we got going on, y'all. We got so much more to come on this channel with these vehicles, y'all. Let's get it, let's go. I'm out this thing. Tell them bye, J.E. Tell them bye. Deuces.
Peace.
Peace up. A-Town down.